Hey everybody, let's get into it. We're going to be doing functions in Python. Before we get into it, make sure to like and subscribe. Let's get into it. So how to make a function is you need to do def, and what def is we are defining the function. To name your function, you can write whatever you want, but make sure the first letter is not an uppercase because you need to have camel case name, or else it won't be valid. So we can just do something like this. You can have an uppercase later in the name, it just can't be the first. So now since we have it like this, to add a parameter or argument to the function, we need to do brackets like so. And then to tell Python that this is valid, we need to add a colon. This is Python syntax. It's used for if, else, if statements. We also made a video about that you guys should check out. So if we wanted to add anything inside this function, we just go inside of it and tab in, and then we can do anything we want. So if we wanted to print something, we can print hello world. So if we run this, it's going to print hello world, but it's not. And the reason is because anytime you make a function, you need to call a function. The reason this is because the purpose of a function is to have a block of code you can call anytime to give you a result. So to call a function, you're just going to copy this right here. You're going to copy the function name and the parameter, and you're just going to paste it underneath. But make sure it is not tabbed in to the function, because you can't call the direct function in a function, the parent function. So now if we go and do run, we are printing hello world because we successfully called this function. Now there's another thing I'd like to cover, which is arguments or parameters, whatever you like to call them. So if we had a variable of age, and maybe this is the user's input age, I wanted this to be an integer of 10. So if I wanted to have this print be here, maybe we wanted to print the user's age, so we could have your age is, and this is going to print the user's age, but maybe we wanted to actually display the age inside this function, so we can concatenate this and then we can have user age. So you might be wondering, where are we going to put this user age? Well, this is how arguments work. So essentially you have these brackets here, and if I wanted to send code up to this function, I would have to fill this in here. So let's say I wanted to send age up. Let's copy this age and let's put it down here. So at the moment we're calling this function and we're sending it the information of age. Well, this needs to catch it. In order to catch it, this needs to have a parameter. So we can just make that I if we wanted to. Let's just change this to I. So in easy terms, as easy as I can explain it, is you're calling a function and saying, hey, I want you to activate, and then you're sending it a certain code or input. It takes this input and it can use it inside its code. So we're going to use it right here. But make sure, since it's an integer, we're going to turn it into a string just so we don't get an error. Let's run this. As you can see, if we run this code, we get your age is 10, successfully submitting a parameter into this function and using it in the function. Thank you guys for watching this video, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and comment down below what you want to see next, guys. I usually do a little while scripting on this channel. This is a little bit different and new for me, and I'm learning it, and I want to share it with you guys. So make sure to comment down below what you want to see, and make sure you guys subscribe. See you in the next one.